I'm looking to save more time, a little one too. This is what I do, and this is how I do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francia, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a concealer only makeup routine, my concealer only makeup routine. I'm not sure if there's anybody else like me out there where it takes, like, my morning routine for work or for my morning makeup routine in general takes about 30-40 minutes, and I just don't be having the energy to do that every day. So, you know, experimenting and whatnot, I come across several YouTube videos with this method, and so I'm like, okay, let me try it out for myself. And then just one morning I did it, and I don't think I've really turned back since then. Like, I would do my full makeup routine on days where, you know, it's a night out or I am, you know, going somewhere or whatever the case may be. But like, the concealer only makeup looks like a full face bead, so you can't really even tell that I'm not wearing no foundation or any of the other pizzazz that I do with my, you know, full makeup routine. So anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm gonna start with my brows first. I just got them done, so yeah, it's not gonna take too long to do them, so I didn't do them off camera. It's gonna be super quick, and I have an appointment at 10:15. It is now, what time is it? It is now 9:26. Hold on, you guys, because if you're not, you know, saving time and doing less is more, right? So if you're not saving time in the morning, see, when you get your brows done, it makes the steps, like, it makes the routine go by so much quicker. Like, you have to do less work when your brows is done, literally. Oh, you guys hear the birdie outside? Okay, so I know I said concealer only makeup, but I'm only gonna use a little bit of foundation to clean up the bottom of my brow. Just like so. Ignore my brushes. Ignore my brushes. You know how messy it gets, which I said in that one line. You know how sticky it gets. So one thing about lashes though, when you got lashes on, doing your brows is like a challenge, because you don't wanna get the makeup on your brow. I mean, not on your brow, on your lash, but it's just like right there, like dirty me. You know what I mean? So it's like, dang, man. Like, if you can do your brows without getting just a little bit makeup on your blush, I salute you. I salute you, honey. Right. Do I have makeup on mine? Do I? No, but it's the fresh face for me. It's the fresh face for me. It's always gonna be the fresh face for me. Okay, so now we're gonna blend that out with the same brush. This is like a multi-purpose brush, you guys. I use this little brush for everything. It's a Wet n Wild brush. Yeah, Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild, and it looks like it's already, the wording is now erased from the brush. It just goes to show how much I use it. You can't really see that it says Wet n Wild anymore. Okay, so the concealer that I like to use for this, no concealer. Okay, so the concealer that I like to use for this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. But before we jump into that, I'm gonna prime. Oof! It's just tripping. Dang. Okay. So I don't do this all over my face. I just go over like certain areas. So I can't not put my phone on don't disturb. But yes, I just go over certain areas on my face and some dark spots as well, like so. Like I like to go under my eye. Not too much though. Just on that. And I don't overdo it, you guys. I don't cake my face with concealer or anything like that at all, because that's the whole reason why I, stopped doing foundation early in the morning religiously for work, because I was tired of, putting all that heavy makeup on my face daily. So, yeah. Now I'm just going to blend all of that out. I like to start with my under eye. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Where's Siri? No, she's connected. She's connected to my speaker. You see? Do you see the shift already? Do you see it? And I'm telling you guys, when I discovered this, it was like life changer for me. Cause I was always like, man, we need to take care of our skin. So everything in moderation, So I couldn't have been happier when I found this. And this is raw, you guys, no filter, none. I wouldn't lie to you like that. No, whatever. But I'm kidding. This is no filter. it's just how it is. Now you don't have to do the same steps that I do. This is just how I like to do it. And this is just what works for me and what works with my skin. So yeah. And what I'm gonna continue to do. Hi. There's a little bump on my eyebrow. Okay. Now that's done. Just set that in with powder. I'm just gonna do that right now. This is the MAC Blur something. It's MAC something. Blur something. I think that's what it is. It is now 9:47. Okay, we're good. Just gotta finish this, fix my hair, and lotion my skin. This is a bit ashy right now. My legs, I didn't lotion before this video. So then I go in with my blush. Love me my blush. Because if you're not, you know, blushing, you're not putting on blush, what are you doing? So I just dab, dab, dab till I get the coverage that I want. And don't come for me in the comments with, oh, that's a lot of blush. This is how I like it. Yeah? My blush needs to be blushy. Alright, that's done. Usually after this step, I would go in with my mascara. But seeing that I have lashes on, I'm just gonna do my mascara still, but just the bottom lash. Just a little bit on top of my lashes. Just in case there's makeup there and I'm not seeing it in this lighting. So that's that. And then I'm gonna insert my, I don't know what you call these things. What I don't like about this is that if it's not giving you the pressure that you want, you can't like squeeze it for it to do that. So I gotta get me a new one because, yeah. And there you have it, folks. No foundation, concealer only makeup with only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 products. Now, if you're not incorporating this in your routine, then baby, I don't know what you're doing. But I'm not against the foundation routine. Like I said, I still do that and will continue to do that. But when I'm looking to save more time and just trying to do something real quick, a little 1-2, this is what I do. And this is how I do it. Okay? Now, thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I will see you in the next one. To my fellow Pisceans, I see you, you see me. Yeah. Mwah. And you know what they say, Pisces is like what? the best zodiac sign. So yeah, and that's why they save us for last. You know what they say about last, saving the best for last. But anyway, so yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And don't argue with me about Pisces being the best zodiac sign. Argue with your mama. I love the makeup. Guys,
Okay,
so
bye.
this is the finished product. And yeah, we're done. This is what it looks like. Like, get into this. You can't tell me this is only concealer only, and you probably wouldn't have believed me if I told you this was only concealer if you didn't see me do this whole routine for you guys. But yeah, I'm not capping. I ain't capping. This is really what it looks like. It looks like full face, you know, and I love it. Simple, straight to the point, you know, yeah. But still appreciate the days that I do, you know, put my foot in doing my makeup. But it's still giving that. It's still giving that. So you should try it out and let me know what you guys think about it. But yeah, this is the final outro, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.